It's a 2014 Subaru XV Crosstrek. Subaru durability meets distinctive sporty good looks in this cargo-packing, off-road ready vehicle that's made to get you out there to have some fun. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: H4 engine, front heated bucket seats, external memory control, manual tilting steering column, Bluetooth, AM/FM stereo radio, aluminum wheels, multifunction steering wheel, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Kelley Blue Book reports the soft suspension settings do a good job of soaking up road imperfections that feel like rude jolts in other compact SUVs. Vehicles that are easy to love for a long time. Subaru. Experience it for yourself today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.